In this tutorial, we will show you how to download, install and log in on the MT4 platform. First, go to our homepage, then click on the company, and then click on the trading platform. Once you are on the trading platform overview page, scroll down below. You will be displaying all platforms offered by CM Index. Depending on your operating system, whether it's for Windows or Mac, choose the option of your preference and click the download button. Click on the file to begin the installation. At this point, click the next button to start the installation and wait until the installation is completed. After the completion, click on the Finish button to open MT4 Trading Platform. On the tab above, go to File and click on Open an Account. You can select whether it is a demo or real account to be logged in and then click Next. In this section, select an existing trade account, enter your MT4 login and password to start trading. On the other hand, you can download the trading platform in the client's cabinet. Just log into your existing account and click Login. In the dashboard menu, select the Downloads button and click Download on MT4 Windows. Begin the installation with the same step as shown before.
CM Index, the people's broker.